Hi boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with vowel teams. A vowel team is 2 or 3 letters side by side, and they are pronounced as one vowel sound. We have EE as in eel, IGH as in night, OE as in toe, and OA as in oat. The first word we're going to write is the word night. Finger stretch with me. N-I-T, night. 3 sound dots. N-I-T. Please write the word night. N-I-T, night. And you'll notice the vowel team IGH shares one sound box because it's making one sound. Please write the word night. N-I-T, night. And let's please underline the vowel team. Our next word is the word sheet. Finger stretch. Sh-E-T, sheet. 3 sounds. Sh-E-T. First sound, sh. S-H says sh. E. Double E says E and T at the end. Sheet. Please write the word sheet. Sh. E. T. Sheet. And please underline the vowel team. Our next word is the word toast. T-O-S-T. Toast. 4 sounds. T-O-S-T. Toast. The first sound we hear is T. Then I have O. O-A says O. S-T. Toast. Please write the word toast. T. O. S. T. Toast. Please underline the vowel team. Our next word is the word toe. I hurt my big toe. Toe. T-O. 2 sounds. T-O. My first sound, T. O. O-E says O. Please write the word toe. T-O. Please underline the vowel team. Our next word is the word bright. B-R-I-T. Bright. I hear 4 sounds, so that'll be 4 sound boxes. B-R-I-T. Bright. First sound B. R-I-T. Bright. Please write the word bright. B-R-I-T. Bright. Please underline the vowel team. Our last word is coach. Coach. Finger stretch. K-O-Ch. Coach. 3 sound boxes. K-O-Ch. First sound K. O. O-A. And Ch. CH digraph says ch. Please write the word coach. K-O-Ch. Coach. Please underline the vowel team. All right, on this side, let's read the instructions together. It says, read each sentence and underline all the words that have all, l, or ill in them. Then write the words under the correct column below. All right, let's read our first sentence together. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to read that sentence. All right, the sentence says, he can still see the ball. We're going to underline any words, remember, that have all, l, or ill in them. So I see the word still, and ball has all. Then we're going to write those words in the correct column. Still ends in I-L-L, ill. Ill. And ball ends in all, as in ball, all. Please read the second sentence by yourself. Way to go. It says, can you fill it all up? I see ill as in fill and all as in ball. So I'm going to put fill underneath the ill column and all underneath the all column. Our next sentence says, I can tell how tall you are. I see L as in tell and all as in tall. Then I'm going to put that in the correct column. L as in tell and all as in tall. Our next sentence says, they will sell you the bell. I see the word will has ill in it. Ill as in will. Sell, L, and the bell, L as in bell. Will goes here underneath ill. Sell underneath L. And bell, I will also put that under L. All right, our last sentence says, do you want to call Bill? Do you want to call Bill? I see all as in call and ill as in bill. I will put call under the column all, k, all, and bill under the column ill. And I'm going to capitalize it because it's the name, Bill. All right, my friends, you did great. Go ahead and turn in your paper and move on to what you need to do next.